Y'all got your brushes?
Yep.
I don't have mine.
They're both in the back of this thing right here. All right.
Oh, I need my hive tool, Kenny, while you're over there.
2020 bee honey extraction, Brandt's bees.
Woo, they're pouring out. Sean, you're standing right in front of the entrance. You might want to stand right over here.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, sit that one down there. Same thing here. Nothing in that
In the first box.
in the first box.
Where'd you put the lid on this one?
Oh,
Over here.
yeah, I need to put it over there. Okay, you want to grab it? Go ahead. All right. Woo, smoke.